Hi, in this video, we will solve the question given to us. We are asked to find the value of tan theta in short form if tan theta plus tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan theta times tan 30 is equal to minus 1. So we have it that tan theta plus tan 30 1 minus tan theta multiplied by tan 30 equal to negative 1. But recall that tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 divided by root 3. So on that note, anywhere we see tan 30 in the question, we substitute by 1 divided by root 3. So the equation becomes tan theta plus 1 divided by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan theta multiplied by 1 divided by root 3 equal to negative 1. Now at this point, we take LCM on both numerator and denominator on the left hand side. So the equation becomes, we have root 3 so root 3 divided by 1 will give us root 3. Root 3 times tan theta is root 3 tan theta plus root 3 divided by root 3 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Everything will now be divided to obtain denominator. Also, at the denominator, we have root 3 as our LCM. So root 3 divided by 1 is root 3. Root 3 times 1 is still root 3. Root 3 divided by root 3 is 1. 1 times minus tan theta is minus tan theta. This is equal to negative 1. But if I have A divided by B, this can also be expressed as A divided by B. Thus, our left-hand side can now be expressed as root 3 tan theta plus 1 divided by root 3 is divided by root 3 minus tan theta divided by root 3 equal to negative 1. Thus, mathematically, the left-hand side can also be expressed as root 3 multiplied by tan theta plus 1 all divided by root 3. Now we take the multiplicative inverse, so this becomes times root 3 divided by root 3 minus tan theta all equal to negative 1. At this point, root 3 can cancel out root 3. So the equation becomes root 3 multiplied by tan theta plus 1 all divided by root 3 minus tan theta equal to negative 1. Thus, at this point, we can cross multiply. So the equation becomes root 3 multiplied by tan theta plus 1 equal to negative 1 multiplied by root 3 minus tan theta. So at this point, we can expand the bracket at the right hand side. So we have that root 3 multiplied by tan theta plus 1 is equal to minus 1 times root 3 is minus root 3. Minus 1 times minus tan theta is plus tan theta. So now we can collect like terms. We have it that root 3 multiplied by tan theta minus tan theta. When tan theta moves to the left hand side, it becomes minus tan theta equal to minus root 3 minus 1. So from the left hand side, we can factor out tan theta. Thus, our equation becomes tan theta multiplied by root 3 minus 1 equal to minus root 3 minus 1. So therefore, tan theta is equal to minus root 3 minus 1 all divided by root 3 minus 1. Also, this can also be expressed as minus, open bracket, root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. But note that root 3 minus 1 can also be expressed as minus, open bracket, 1 minus root 3. So therefore, tan theta is equal to minus, open bracket, root 3 plus 1 divided by minus, open bracket, 1 minus root 3. So therefore, minus can cancel out minus. We have it that tan theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 1 minus root 3. This can also be expressed as 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3. Thank you, and I know you have found value in this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.